In a significant move on the 17th of January 2026, the European Commission formally introduced a rigorous legislative draft targeting the security of critical infrastructure, effectively imposing the harshest access ban to date on Chinese entities. Speaking in Brussels, European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen announced that Chinese suppliers will be strictly prohibited from participating in wind turbine projects, solar grid management systems, and nuclear power digital control chains. Notably, the digital upgrading of nuclear power plants will entirely exclude any control technology with a Chinese background. The ban extends deeply into the digital and logistics sectors, prohibiting the use of critical management systems from vendors such as Huawei and ZTE. Furthermore, AI servers and computing centers utilized by key EU institutions are strictly forbidden from employing underlying chips and architectures manufactured in China. The restrictions also bar Chinese firms from new subsea cable projects connecting EU member states or linking Europe to North America. Restrictions have also been placed on Chinese participation in the automation systems of major European ports and railway dispatch networks. The rationale provided by the EU is intensely geopolitical. EU officials noted that China's dominance in global supply chains has shifted from an economic advantage to political leverage. They argued that by embedding itself in energy and telecommunication systems, China gains the potential to remotely cut off or monitor in real time Europe's vital lifelines during times of conflict. Analysts suggest that the timing of this ban serves, in part, as a strategic tribute, submission of credentials to Washington. By aligning its China security policy with that of the United States, the EU seeks to secure leniency from the Trump administration regarding US tariff policies on European goods. However, warnings have emerged that due to the lack of low-cost alternatives, a direct ban on Chinese components could drive consumer prices in Europe up by 15 to 20% and significantly delay the continent's green energy transition.